Hello friends, welcome to this course on NX. In this lecture, we will continue with sketch modeling and we will know about next command, that is trim and extend. So with this trim and extend, we can trim or delete any sketch. And so you can find this option. So right now I am in sketch mode. So I go to the sketch curve, click on this arrow, and here you can see the option quick trim and then quick extend. So we will learn about them. So before using this trim option, first of all we need to create some sketch. So let's say I go to the rectangle tool, select rectangle, I go to center rectangle, draw this center as origin, select sketch origin and draw a rectangle like this. So I can take this rectangle of any dimension and then press escape. Now I want to delete or trim the lines of this rectangle. For this we have many options in NX. Now first thing we can do is using the keyboard. Let's say I want to delete this line. So just left click onto this line and then here we can see the option that is delete, and the shortcut key for this, it is highlighting Ctrl+D. So we can delete this from here, click on this delete. And now we can see the line is deleted. Similarly, if I select this line and then press the delete key from the keyboard, we can also delete the line. I undo this, so press Ctrl+Z. Also we can use the quick trim option. So sometimes we have a complex sketch. In those types of situation, we need to use the trim option. So go to this option of trim. Here select this quick trim. Now in this quick trim dialog window, it is showing boundary curve and curve to trim. So right now I am leaving this option of boundary curve and just focus on curve to trim. So click on this curve to trim and then we need to select the curve which we want to trim. So let's say I want to trim this curve. So select this line and now we can see this line is trimmed. Similarly, once again I can select this line. So we can select multiple lines and we can trim them. I click close, press Ctrl+Z to undo all. Once again I go to quick trim. So go to quick trim from here. The shortcut key for the quick trim is T. So we can press the T from the keyboard. So go to quick trim. Also what we can do, I can hold down the left click of the mouse and when I hold down we can see a pen is highlighting. So when I drag this pen onto any curve, that curve will be deleted. So here we can see in this way we can drag it. So with this option we can quickly trim the curves. So here we can see we can trim the curves. So I click close from here. Now let's create some complex sketch. So I go to curves and here I will draw multiple curves. So let's say I draw curve like this and then so I don't want to show all these dimensions here. So go to more options and then click on this display sketch auto dimensioning. So right now this option is selected, I have to uncheck on this and then continue making the arcs. So once again I want to create some intersecting arcs. So here these arcs are intersecting like this. Similarly one more arc like this and then press escape. Now here we can see in this types of situation, when two sketches intersect with each other, in these types of situation we can define any curve as a boundary. So go to quick trim. Now let's say I want to trim this horizontal curves. Now to trim these horizontal curves, I have to select the boundary curve. So first of all select the boundary curves. So I select this curve as boundary and select this curve as a boundary. Now go to curve to trim. Now with respect to these curves, I want to trim these curves. And here we can see the color of boundary curves has been changed. It is now light green. Now just select the curve which we want to trim. So let's say I want to trim this curve. So I can trim it here. Select the curve one by one and we can trim it. Click close. So in this way we can use the boundary curve when two curves are intersecting with each other. So with this quick trim, we have one more option that is called quick extend. Click on this option. So with this quick extend, we can extend any curve to any reference curve. So let's say I go to this boundary curve. I select this curve as the boundary and then go to curve to extend. And I want to extend this curve. So click on this curve. Now we can see the curve is extended. Similarly, select this curve and this curve. Click close and here we can see we have extended the curves. So in this way we can use this quick extend option.